everyone, how y'all doing? I hope y'all are doing great. This is Praveen from Team Debru, and in today's video we are going to talk about WannAds Affiliate Network review. Before we dive into today's video, if you're interested in joining the fastest growing affiliate marketing community, you can do so by joining the AFK forum powered by Team Debru for free by clicking the link in the description of this video. So what are you waiting for? Join us today. Welcome to today's video, and in today's video we are going to talk about WannAds. At the first glance of their name, I actually thought it was WannAds, then it actually does not make sense at all. So I think I just called it WannAds. I don't know how it's pronounced actually. A lot of affiliate networks are based in different countries, guys, so maybe the pronunciation might be wrong, so forgive me for that, but I think I'll just call it WannAds for now. So WannAds is basically an affiliate network. Yeah, you can call it an affiliate network, but they focus on offer wall and mobile SDK. I will explain in further what is mobile SDK and everything. So they are actually a company based in Spain. They was established in the year 2012, so they are running like effectively until today, which is already 7 years. The thing about offer wall networks, right? A lot of people does not know what is offer wall. So when you got to know what is offer wall, the next step is how do you integrate offer wall into your app, game, or website or whatever. So how do you do it? It's actually not a very easy step. It's not a very hard step. It's something that you will know, but how do you do it without any instructions or anything? And that is one of the highlights of WannAds. If you actually go and Google how do you use the WannAds to integrate it in your mobile app or in your website, they actually have a big manual how to do it step by step. And a lot of bloggers even actually take bloggers, whatever, guys, they actually take this particular input of these WannAds and they use it in their videos, they use it in their blog. It doesn't matter, as long as you have a clear instruction on how to integrate them into your software. That is what we want, and that is what the WannAds actually give us. So let's go ahead and check out the website of WannAds. At the WannAds, we monetize. At WannAds, we create tools for developers to turn their user into money. Use our mobile SDK and offer wall in your app, game, or web. So you can actually discover how to do this, and this is where they have the whole manual that I was talking to you about. So this is their services. This is their services. So they have a range of campaign. They can actually give you SDK, offer wall, API, or you can even get a mobile app. So how does it work? Before we talk about the SDK, offer wall, and everything, let's just check it out, whether they have any other details or not. You make money, users are happy. Is there a platform which pays immediately? Yes, we do. Our top publisher deserve a top platform. That's you will receive money built in over a month at the end of the month. Net zero, no waiting, no hassle. So let's go ahead and check how they are monetize all this. So when you go to the monetize section over here, this is how they monetize. So monetize your app, game, or website. Monetize WannAds is a platform that allows you to monetize website, application, or game. They're mostly into games and apps. So our publisher earn money. We can automate more than 100 countries. So this is their tool. So let's talk about SDK. SDK is actually stands for Software Development Kit. Usually a lot of people get confused with API and SDK. So let me just put in a simple word. Let's say you're building a car or a plane. So the SDK, when you're building a car or a plane, definitely you need kits, you need tools, you need instructions, you need a lot of stuff, right? So the SDK is that. SDK is a kit which provides you, it's called Software Development Kit. So it provides you everything that you need. It's like a whole garage that you need, or workshop that you need. Some country call it garage, some country call it workshop. So they have instruction, they have tools, they have everything integrated with them so that you can use them. And the API in another thing is more to like a blog which allows you to build that car, but the SDK is more complete and the API is just like a block. Maybe they don't have instruction and everything. The SDK is more integrated. So that's how we define SDK and API in a layman's term. So let's read here. If you have a native game or app, integrating our SDK is the best option. Like I told you, it's the whole package. So we have Android SDK, AIS SDK, AOS SDK. Sorry guys, my tongue is making problem. iOS SDK and Unity SDK. So the API, on the other hand, you can easily get data about our campaign, promote those on your website while customizing the appearance, like what I told you. Does it make sense now? The campaign feed updates automatically and has to be used in server-to-server connection. All right, the offer wall is the next one they're talking about. So what is actually the offer wall? Have you been playing games? When you're playing games, suddenly there's like a pop-up telling that, or win free coin. For example, I'm playing Mobile Legends, there's a pop-up saying watch this video and then you get free coins for that. It actually happens in Mobile Legends. You can actually watch video to get free coins. So that particular video is actually offer wall, and sometimes it works in a way of pop-ups. It depends. It has variation ways that it can work, but they actually, what the purpose is, advertisers actually pays you as a publisher. They pay you, they give you an advertisement and they want to publish it in the game. So you as a gamer, you have a game and then you can't make any game out of it. Remember guys, only 2 to 5%, I think 2 to 6%, if I'm not mistaken, that was the latest research, 2 to 6% people actually pay to buy game. Other people just download free games. They don't pay games, guys. So from, if you want to make paid games, it's actually a hard time you're going to make money unless your game is already very popular. So you're not going to make money. So the way you're going to make money is through offer wall, where you actually give them a survey or you put them an ad over there from your advertiser. You can put them into a game and then the advertiser will pay you money for that, and you can give them free in-game a reward, something like that, tokens and stuff like that. So that's how the offer wall works, and that's how you can actually make money. And also they have over here, they have a mobile app. So if your web or service does not have a mobile version, our app is perfect for you. So they actually does a mobile app for you. So that's how great they are. So who is this service for? As you can see over here, does it differ? No, it does not differ. Okay, for online pay to play or freemium games, instead of having users to pay, they can play and earn credits or live completely free by viewing advertisement. Like I told you, users play free of charge and the game receive money thanks to WannAds and our advertisers. So this is how it works, guys. So if you have a free game, the chances is more people will actually play your game, and more people will actually watch the ads, and you can still earn although you have a free game, rather than doing it a pay game. So the next one will be for application. For purpose mobile application, computer programming, user have the option to download them free of charge or by you viewing advertisement instead of paying for them. Online services for website does not earn money from their user. User have the option to use and benefit service of free charge in exchange of viewing ads from our subscribers. So this is what they do. What else they do? They have survey walls, they have anti-fraud control, integration with system, they have notifier. So this is the types of campaigns that they can actually give you in offer wall. They can sign up with your email address, game, survey, Android app installation. So this will be CPI, iOS app installation CPI as well, offers in product and services, shopping, software downloads, like in Facebook. So you get paid for all these, guys. You watch videos, you like them on Facebook, you get paid for all this. So let's go ahead and check where are they from. So like I told you, they are established in the year 2012 and they are from Spain. As you can see, these are their members. So they're actually very transparent. The CEO's name is over here, chief marketing officer over here, everything is over here. so everything is very transparent. So next thing you got to do is go ahead, sign up and get into their dashboard. When you get into the dashboard, this is how their dashboard looks like. It might be a very custom, it's a very custom dashboard, as you can see, because WannAds is actually different from other affiliate network. They don't work for like pay for leads, maybe CPA. They work in a very different way, so definitely they need a very different type of dashboard. So this is their dashboard and it looks very different. As you can see over here, there's overview, lead list, chargeback list, user overview. And when you go over here, they can actually create an app for you. This is the overview over here. They can actually create an app for you. They have billing, referrals. Let's go for billing. So they have billings, they have referral programs. So how much does their referral program pay? Let me just go and see. They didn't say clearly how much is their referral program pays, but if you've been using the WannAds, you would know that they actually pay around 2% for their referral program. So they do have referral program as well, but their dashboard is actually quite laggy. I don't know why. It's not my internet connection, guys. Their dashboard is laggy and I have no idea why. And they also have an FAQ section over here, as well as the documentation section over here. So they have a lot of stuff. It's something unique, it's something different. I don't know whether you will like it or not, but if you're a game developer and an application developer, definitely WannAds is for you, and you can even use it to integrate in your website and stuff like that. But especially it's more focused to applications, mobile app, and as well as if you're a developer or some kind of things, definitely go ahead and check out the WannAds. So I think I've covered most of the stuff regarding the WannAds. So that will be the end of today's video. If you have any question regarding today's video, do not hesitate to drop us a comment below and we will get to that comment ASAP. I hope today's video was beneficial for you. If you're interested in joining the fastest growing affiliate marketing community, you can do so by joining the AFK forum powered by Team Debru for free by clicking the link in the description of this video. Thanks again for watching.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.